Good morning, Angel Treasures. It's 9 in the morning. Let me show you my outfit. I haven't done one of these in a while. I don't think. I don't do it a lot. That's all. Well, I'm going out with my mom. First she said Bay Ridge, but now we're going here to Staten Island, Target Street, Home Depot, because my mom's air conditioner she had since we moved here in 2005 died. So she's getting a new air conditioner. And that's where we're going, Home Depot. I hope since we're going there, I see anything of, I doubt if they're going to have anything of Halloween yet. It's gonna be around like August or September, around there. They're gonna have Halloween. So hopefully I don't get to miss it when they have it. We got off at 74, crossing this way. We got off in Vanderbilt Avenue and Duzer. So what the Home Depot is where my son's elementary school. I'll pass it and show it. Well, I don't think we're gonna go near it, but so I end up putting like a gate to do like gardening or whatever it is here at Home Depot. Flooring, bath, hardware. Making myself a cup of coffee. My water's boiling. Delicioso. Salud. Cheers. Watery, bitter, no sugar, is just gross. Drink a little and that's it.